Yan.
Nobody feels good, but we're all helping.
Yeah, Nai, except you.
Oh.
Ano, ito help ka dito.
No, I need to fold the bedsheet.
Can you give me one corner?
One corner.
Elbow here. Delete.
This one?
Elbow here.
This one?
That's a corner, yeah.
So, we got this swimming pool second hand in Market Plus.
Bro.
So, they're trying to attach Alec and Albert. So, call me when you're done, ha?
Bro.
Ow.
Reklamo na reklamo. Bata samantalang sa kanya yung swimming pool na yan. I need to fold the bedsheet now. Oh my God, he's in the roof.
Yeah, so let him be in the roof. And if
That
he
kid.
falls,
Oh my God, look.
he has everything
Yung bata,
broken.
oh. Grabe tong batang to. Nasa bubog ng, baka malaglag. Nakakatakot yung ginagawa niya. Ay. Come look at the swimming.
Wow.
Oh, grabe guys. Ito na.
Really deep.
Tumayo ka nga ako hanggang saan mo. So you can swim. I can swim. It's huge, guys. Look. Wait lang. Yeah, lilinisin pa yan. Guys, ang laki ng swimming ni Alec, oh, swimming pool. Alec, tayo ka diretso. Tingnan mo ako hanggang saan mo. So she can actually stand. Pero, why did we buy this? Is for Alec to swim. At saka malapit na rin yung birthday ni Alex sa August. So, we want to do it here in the Netherlands.
So big.
So, ang laki! So, we'll try maybe next week. Laki nga! Even me. Yeah. I mean, kahit ako guys, even me, I can swim on it. I mean, it's parang until sa waist ko. So, actually, it's good for me because mommy doesn't know how to swim.
Like that.
No, I can swim, but it's still cold this day, so we'll wait until like
Just
it's
go
warm.
pee-pee, guys.
Okay. There is a stair. Ayan, ginagawa ni Albert yung stair. Meron siyang hagdan kasi paano ka nga namang sasamba dito? 'Di ba? Taas.
How?
So he has to figure out how to fix the stair. Actually, you know, Han, if we make barbecue, I can even grill here or in that side and while swimming. Nice! Ganda.
3 days later.
Guys,
Ta-da!
this is our swimming pool.
$600.
$600. So, kita niya, ito na, nalagay na ni Albert yung hagdan. And today, it's 33 degrees. My God, it's so init. Even we have this yellow code warning because of heat wave. Siyempre, ang mga tao dito, hindi sila na ganito kainit. So, yan, oh. Kahit ako kanina, struggle ako na nag-workout. So, mamaya, today is Friday. Alec doesn't have school, so we can jump in the pool. The water is really cold. It's like, how many degrees is the water? 16? 18.
I can go.
18 degrees mean 18 degrees. Yung temperature ng water, which is exacto, very good because you can see it's really hot in here. I mean, kung makikita niyo bright ng araw. So, ayan, nagpapahangin siya. Han, I have this pump. Why you don't use it? So, Alec just came from school. Of course, cheekbones is so red. So, kain muna siya. Tapos yung pressed juice, as usual.
Guys, you know, at school we needed to do gymnastics.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, before I even did gymnastics when I was just sitting and listening to the teacher, I was sweating.
Oh, there's wind.
You know,
Even me,
when
I
was
struggled to
doing-
work out today, you know?
Yeah, but you know, when I was doing gymnastics, only me and Jinx are the one who bring our water bottles to gymnastics.
Oh, that's bad. You have to drink a lot. So, ayan. Grabe. It's gonna be nice to jump later in the pool. Ay, hindi na nga sila makapag-intay. Nasaan yung iPad? Ayun, magja-jump na sila at Ate Julia. Okay, go! Grabe. Hugas pa ah. Oh, take Alex.
It's freezing.
Ah, come on. It's hard. Go in the third one. Oh, second one.
Is heel koud, oké?
Let's move the pool.
Alex!
Stay there, stay there. Oh. Bloody hell, let's go.
It's good, no?
Ik zou niet te veel met de voeten in het water. Oh my god, Maria. I am gonna have a heart attack.
It's nice, no? It's hot kasi. Oo.
Nice
Init.
Hey, that's also Intex. Yung floating.
Go down. Tingnan mo ako hanggang saan may tubig. Go down. Just go down.
Down means?
In the, yeah, down. Ay, may babaw lang pala.
What do you mean bubble?
Alec, go down. I want to see you until when. Can you try to swim? Tingnan mo nga. You can swim?
Malamig, di ba?
From there, to the end.
Okay.
That's so cool.
Nak, you did not swim.
Remove the floating.
They're slow.
Ah, ze kan zwemmen. Dat is fijn, die balen.
Can you swim nga? Try mo nga.
Try nog eens om te proberen te
Did you
zwemmen.
put salt?
But they say it doesn't sanitize.
Ah, yeah, it's just for the
And
body.
the Clorox is more cheaper.
We put actually salt
Wil je achter deze
in the water. That's yung parang pH something. Kasi puro sa bacteria and thing. Because we will not throw this water for after one use because masyadong asayado, guys. How many water is this? 10,000 liters. This is 10,000 liters water. My goodness. Mamaya ako magja-jump.
Sarap, nanay. Hello! Nay, ano ba ginagawa mo?
Hey, wat?
Han, are you wearing hanging shirt?
What? Yeah, no, it's. I don't want to be a lobster.
A hanging shirt.
What?
A hanging shirt.
Para may nakahanging t-shirt.
Seventh home.
Ang sarap ka. Ako, mauna ako. Lamig ng tubig. Grabe. Alam mo yung para ka nag-ice bath? Ice bath is that ice bath? Yes. But it's good. I feel like yung mga muscle ko, wala yung sakit. Maganda siya. Malamig. Kaso umahon na muna ako. Mamaya ulit pag medyo naiinitan na ako. Alex, say hi!
Hi, guys. Eventually, my mom is a pussy in the water.
Nak, you're in the vlog. You're saying a not nice word. Oh my God, it's not nice to say that one. I'll kill you. Anyway, so mamaya, dito rin kami magluluto sa labas. Kasi nga, mainit. Pag nagluto ako sa kitchen, mainit. So I'm planning to cook here outside. Magluluto ako ng fish. Piniritong isda. Tapos ano ba? What I will cook? Chicken wings pala. Kasi Friday today, so we can stay late outside. And the good thing ngayon, kasi summer, so 10 o'clock, 10:30, maliwanag pa dito. Anyway, bye guys! I say bye-bye, both of you.
Bye.
Han,
Bye,
it's so rude not to tell. Nakita nyo ba, nakahanging blouse. Kasi nga, sunog na siya. Actually, hindi siya sunog. Oo, sunog siya. Kulay pula, parang lobster.